All right, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Pradista, smash the like. Trade intuition, smash the like. Happy Thanksgiving, Nell. How you doing? How's everyone doing? Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in. Alrighty, happy Thanksgiving. XRP and XLM being very resilient and trying to break down trend. You're right, actually. I was looking at that chart just a minute ago. It's absolutely insane. It literally broke out. Absolutely insane. Pradista, Pradista, Pre, Praditsa. I'm butchering your name. I'm sorry, but happy Thanksgiving to you as well. Sharon X, y'all. Yeah, everybody, Sharon X. That'd be great. I did not post anything on X for this one. All right, so diving in Bitcoin on the daily, I'm still leaning bearish considering this huge red candle, and we are bearishly back. That we have a confirmed bearish backtest on this channel we were in, so still leaning a little bearish, thinking we still have the possibility of this pullback playing out. So I'm just gonna keep playing it by ear. We are still in the bullish control zone when it comes to relative strength. We are not overbought anymore, so that's probably what's giving fuel for this upside momentum. Noted from the flag down here, we still have a target up here around anywhere between $109,000 and $115,000. So keep that in mind as well. I think things are a little uncertain with this holiday. I think retail is starting to enter, and it's kind of strange. But 4 hour, you had a high stochastic, you're sitting in neutral territory. So this could go up, could go down, but all day it's looking like we held resistance at that 50 simple moving average for Bitcoin. Only thing I can see here though is that we are flagging out. So the fact that we do have a bit of a bull flag here and that is broken out at the moment, that's it's kind of interesting. A little bit of a bull flag here. We could see that rally up. If I were doing a trade on this bad boy, my target would be 99,000 even. Sand and Mana moving. Yeah. Alexander, how you doing? Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in. Thank you guys for tuning in on this shorter stream. I will not be on that long. We got food to eat out here. Going into the 1 hour time frame. Now your 1 hour, we did reset our stochastic, so this is starting to make me think maybe this downtrend here is wrong. Maybe I just need to raise it up a little bit so it looks a little more flag-esque. So we're gonna see how that pans out. Anyways, we could just chop around in here and then break to the upside. Since we did uptrend into it, we could get another leg up. Very, very possible. Checking out your 15-minute time frame. Your 15-minute is trying to reset while being at the top of this channel. So meaning we could see that breakout tonight. Absolutely surprising. Going into the liquidation map, let's see what's going on here. Oh, maybe that's why. Yeah, that's probably why. We do have a bunch of longs sitting down here at 94,689 and below, but looks like we got this giant liquidity here and here just overhead. And if we go out to our weekly, I believe the 100,000 mark was where we were looking for a massive amount of resistance. Come on, you can do it. Oh, if the computer decides to crap out now. Oh boy. What the heck's going on? What's going on here? I just want to see the weekly. There we go. Oh my goodness. So we have a lot of shorts overhead and hardly anything below us. This could be fueling our upside movement. That is crazy. So absolutely insane when you see the amount of liquidations that are overhead. between 99,500 and all the way as high as 100,397. If we get a crazy Black Friday blast off, we could see some short liquidations. Which, yeah, if you look at the weekly here, this is probably what's fueling the rally upward right now. Because one thing the market does like to do, it likes to find the most liquidity. And right now, the most liquidity is overhead. So, probably had a lot of people out there with the same sentiment as me is, oh, we're about to start downtrending. Let's go. All right. Can I check ILV? Looks decent. Sure. Start diving into these alts. We're going to start off with XLM, XRP. Then we're going to go into Sand and Mana. And then we'll check ILV. All right, freestyle. So let's start diving into these alts. XRP. Currently trying to break out. You're finding resistance at this 155.98 level. This is a really big level. Really big level. Reason I say that is because if we go out to Coinbase here, and we pull up our weekly time frame. No, Coinbase is useless. Never mind. Hold on. Binance doesn't have it. Who has all the info? Gate.io? Gate.io does. Alright. So if you look at the weekly time frame, you're at the previous all-time high weekly candle closes. If we get a candle close above this, this will be the second highest weekly candle close ever. And if you break it, $3.02 next target. This is why I'm leaning so incredibly bearish toward this. It's because it's literally a straight line up, and you had no time to back off. Checking out your daily, it just looks absolutely ridiculous. But don't get me wrong, as it was said in the bull markets of past, XRP will melt your face. So who knows? Maybe this thing's ready to melt some faces once again. Who knows? Maybe the rumors are real. I am still not willing to buy this thing after the years of non-movement. I'm not willing to. Just not. Super overbought on the daily. Super overbought. 4 hour, it does look like you got a little bit of bearish divergence forming. We're going to see if you get that breakout. It looks ready to break out. So I will say that. It looks ready to break out. Which is really weird for me to say because it's so elevated. But hey, weirder things have happened in the market. Your 1 hour does look like it wants to take a breather. Yeah, that 4 hour, it's really showing it wants to break out. You did have this short-term downtrend here that you broke out of, and now you're starting to run. If you are going to make this move to the upside, I would expect it to get to $1.77.794. So yeah, that's XRP. Let's jump into XLM. XLM, another one. It broke out of this downtrend, and you are at resistance. XLM, a little bit more believable if it does go up. If it manages to go up, which noted, you have a high 1 hour stochastic. I do not trust anything going overnight with a high 1 hour stochastic. I am expecting a pullback. Just saying. You no longer hate Axel? Well, there you go, Blue Lantern. You just had to wait a little bit longer. This one I'm still expecting the pullback, but it's less surprising if it goes up in tests. 71.11. Less surprising, but you do have this downtrend breakout. Let's see what happens. I don't like the 1 hour stochastic. Let's check the 4 hour. Your 4 hour is a little elevated, but you're in neutral territory, and your MACD looks like it wants to converge positive. So it's possible. It's very possible. 15-minute wants to reset, which is cool. I did notice that your stochastic... Oh, never mind. You got a higher price. It doesn't matter. What about back here? Lower. So yeah, this just looks like a consolidation. We'll see if it breaks out or not. XLM, I'm legitimately surprised it broke out. Legit surprised. Sand heading back to 86. All right. Well, we're checking out Sand now. Yeah, we're checking out Sand now. So yeah, XLM, very interesting little chart there. Sand is up 7%. Jeez. I had this marked out last night. I didn't think it was going to play out, but holy shit, look at it go. We could see sand get back up to this 72.31. Now that I see this thing playing out, I know the new method works. I just have to have the right anchor points. This is surprising. We definitely did not set a lower low either. Hey now. This is great. You had a low, you had a higher low. 20% upside. This is great. You want to check out Doge? I think there'll be a pullback going into January 6th, and then a blow off January 20th. Hopes of end of the Russian war. Gotcha. You're up 30% right now. Nice, Alexander. Nice. But yeah, this is playing out. I got out of the trade because I just didn't believe it. But dang, this is pretty solid. However, you are completely overbought on the 15-minute. Let's check the 1 hour. 1 hour is getting into that overbought territory. So yeah, I would think it's gonna putter out somewhere around here, and then we can decipher where our downtrend could be that we'd be looking for a breakout. So I'm actually thoroughly surprised that this is working out the way it is. You had a bottom once, double bottom, popping up. This is great. Let's go ahead and move on to Mana. Mana, ooh, Mana's having a very good break. Oh boy. So same thing here. We would be looking for that 50% retrace. We're putting in higher lows. So getting a move up to the 67.28 would be in the cards. As soon as you break this downtrend here, you would have then been, oh, and you saw low, second low, you would have been getting into the trade here, and had you done that, you would have been looking for a 19% rise. I'm really glad this new thing's starting to work out. Dogecoin is about to go parabolic and will pull back after parabolic phase. I've been in Doge since 0.2 of a penny. Oh, nice. Just so you know, Dream Tanks, awesome. Congratulations on the gains. Love it. Love it. Melt the face. You're talking about XRP? Melt it. But yeah, this is really cool. I like when new plans are working out. I'm basically just trying to figure out how we all have an infinite money printer. That's all I'm really doing. But the real test is going to be if NOT goes down. Real test is going to be if NOT starts falling, because NOT is where I implemented this thing first. Ooh, it's falling. You did have that little breakout, but you did not make a higher high. Oh, wait, I didn't even anchor this in the right spot. Shit. So yeah, we still didn't do it right. Damn it. Could go all the way up to this level here at 91217. Interesting. We had it marked here first. Huh. And then that pullback will be testing support. Interesting. Interesting. Crypto Bellwether was bragging about selling all his ISO coins to 22 coins. At the time seemed like a great bag. Then they all shot up like 3 days later. It's rough. It's rough when that happens. Alright, let's go ahead and check out ILV. So that's one thing. I'll never brag to you guys when I sell things. Actually, unless it's a low cap coin, you'll have no idea when I sell. You will have no idea, and that's the way I like it. ILV, fresh breakout. This party continues, $90. This was a nice, easy one to look at. Because you did get a break, a back test, and now you're starting to move. Nice, easy one to look at. This thing, maybe you consolidate a bit longer, but yeah, no, you're moving right along here. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I didn't realize you're coming off of this huge down. Oh, no, it's fine. Yeah, it's a new phase. So yeah, anywhere between 90 and 116. This is what you're looking for. Looks pretty darn decent. No bearish divergence yet. Yeah, you're good. Nobody's offloading their position. Your indicators are just a little bit hot. Just a little hot. Let's go down to that 1 hour. See if it's gonna rally tonight. Ooh. Wait for a little bit of consolidation. Get this stochastic to get back down to the bottom there where it belongs. Get to the bottom where you belong. And then once it does that, yeah, you're ready for a rally. ILV. Let's say you get another test. Could be 67% upside. Not bad. That's not bad. You're in a trade right now. Alexander, ballsy. In a trade on Thanksgiving. Ballsy. That's ballsy. Oh, let's go ahead and look at Axel real quick. Alright, Axel. Oh, it was so close to the target. Look at how close that was. Golly. So close to the target. But looks like it's cooling off right now. Your 1 hour does want to cool off a lot, and you have bearish divergence, so be careful of a pullback. But it's up 50% as we speak. Oh, you're talking about sand? Sweet. Sweet, man. It's still running. Don't worry. It'll come down. Just remember, things that blast off like that, you're going to see a very strong bounce as the first level to initiate the downtrend for the reconsolidation. You're always going to see that very first strong bounce. So, that's what you think. You're right. I definitely do think that. Yes, I do think that. I mean, you could even set a slightly higher high before, which I would prefer not to do that. I don't like the higher high. I've watched this move before. No, the slightly higher high, I don't like those, because then what I've found a lot of times, the pullback is nasty. And I just, in the back of my head, I have to solely focus on, hey, we have a new year coming where Wall Street will reallocate funds. It could get real nasty, it could get real great. It's one or the other. I was just hoping XLM would hit 36, so you get your money back. Ooh, Blue Lantern, you've been doing the round tripper. You've been in the round trip. So this thing, I would like to see some consolidation here, but next target 111.18. I think this thing's due for going up at least to 111.18. I think. Oh yeah, no, 127 is your real target. You're just coming out of the depths of hell, no big deal. This is great. What I would really like to see is a move all the way up to 127, back down to 94, and then, chop around in here a little bit, then get your major breakout. I'd like to see that. Bears always want everything to drop in a bull market, but bears get wrecked in a bull market just as every cycle. I mean, to be fair, bull cycles don't last as long as bear cycles. So I think bears, in the long run, make more. I don't know. I like to be fluid. I like to be bullish and bearish, depending on the chart. Yeah, I'd finally given up on XLM. I doubled down on XRP at the bottom. Now I wish I did for XLM too. That's pretty funny. I already have a locked stop loss 50% profit. Smart move, Alexander. Smart move. I love it. Alright, since Alexander is riding a pump right now, let's go check out his pump. Let's all see how much money we should ask him for after the stream. Let's all see. Yeah, we're still going. We're up nearly 9%. Nearly 9%. But look at this 4-hour stochastic. Enjoy the ride. I'm thinking if you manage to get to 81 cents, be ready for further downside. So I have this idea of beachfront property in Arizona. Alexander, I'd really like to talk to you about it. It'd be pretty good. Then we'll talk about your car insurance. I'll be your broker for both of them. Don't worry about it. Solid investment. Solid investment. Let's do it. You're good with training stop loss? That's good. I have a Porsche Cayman 98 GTS. You know, it's funny. I've never liked the smaller sports cars. Like I get weird looks for that a lot, especially living in Southern California. But I've never liked the smaller sports cars. I mean, I like the Dodge Ram 2500 Night Edition. That thing's sexy. I mean, I just want to bring up an image here. Dodge Ram 2500 Night Edition. Now this thing I like. I like this one. Like, sign me up for this bad boy. Can't see it. Shit. Like, sign me up for that bad boy. I like that. I'm not a big fan of the smaller sports cars. Get the hell out of here. Well, yeah. Turbo diesels. Those get my engine running. Turbo diesels. Black on black 20-inch decked out. High alt. You have a Jeep as well. Oh, very nice. Very nice. You know, I was looking at those Jeep Rubicons, the diesel ones. Oh, yeah. Lions almost blew it against shitty Bears. It was a Lions and Bears game today? Ew, gross. That's terrible. The Jeep High Alt, very nice. This is my first bull run. I've been anxious that you won't take profits in an intelligent way. Oh, it's fine. If you miss taking profits the first time, you got plenty of time to take profits. Just make sure around this time next year, take your profits. Around this time next year, that's when you really that's when it counts. If you miss opportunities like right now, between now and I don't know, October, you're okay. It's more than likely going to go up, but I'm just trying to maximize gains here. That's the only reason why I trade the way I do. And that's why I'm trying to figure out better ways of trading for you guys. Because also, I'm all about that infinite money glitch. Would make a lot of sense to come back up to these highs right here. Would make a lot of sense. So let's just say Sand manages to do that and then gets the move down. I mean, it would take forever, but 35% downside from there would make me very happy. Noted, if you break this 81, you could see 135. You could see 135. So I wouldn't go short just yet, but you know, would be nice. But yeah, this trading range right here, we'll just mark that out real well. These candle highs would make all the sense in the world to pop up, hit that, find resistance, and then see what happens. I'm wondering if XRP and XLM, since they started so early, will top spring instead of the fall. Probably not. They'll just keep going. So the alt seasons, it's like you get sporadic alt seasons. When Bitcoin dominance starts rising back up again, that's when we can see these major pullbacks for these altcoins. So, you got time, don't worry about it. Relax. We breaking out the McLaren 18 if we get $1.36? Really, you think so? You think so? So from what I've heard from people who drive McLarens, they say that's like the only supercar out there that could be like a daily driver. Thoughts on Chainlink, please? McCollin. Oh, the alcohol. My bad. Sorry, we were talking about cars that whole time. I thought I read McLaren. Sorry, I'm remedial. I'm a little. I've been playing contact sports since I was 9 years old. I'm about to be 35. Let's check out this Leica AI. Leica. You don't have a McLaren. One car that doesn't make any sense to me is LKI is the Lotus. Like, what's up with the Lotus? I just I just feel like that's a complete Hot Wheel. Leica, you are consolidating? I don't really understand what this thing is doing. It's too new. It's way too new. But you came off your lows. That's good. You're above a resistance. That's cool. Yeah. I think Fetch will Fetch AI. Oh my god, Fetch AI took off. That was crazy to look at. I thought it was gonna pull back. Honestly, I thought that was definitely gonna pull back, but Fetch AI showed me. Fetch AI was like, "Hey, good thing you didn't put any shorts in, because I would have messed you up." Like, that's fair. That is fair. You would have. Few people in the car club that love them. The Lotus. Yeah, it's weird because it's just like it's so small. I get power to weight ratio, but it's just so small. For this Leica AI, you're looking to hit this like 2011 level. From there, honestly, maybe you push up to 25006, but you're just in this weird consolidation. It's a really new coin. Um, right now, the daily is saying you can go up and test resistance. You broke support, but if we get any type of pullback, you're gonna go back and test support. If you get a breakout here, sky's the limit, brother. I don't really know where it could go. I mean, maybe you want to go from like here to here, like 786 level. Maybe you get up to this 41849, maybe. But I don't know. Yeah, there's just not enough data here. Happy Thanksgiving. Can you check Sand? Do you think it'll make new all-time high? To closer, we did check out Sand. Um, I don't think a new all-time high. I think it's going to make a pretty decent move today, though. Eventually, yeah, definitely will go for a new all-time high. Hey, how's it? How is it? What's up, Ibuprofen? How you doing? How you doing? Arc block is going well. What is arc block? I don't even know what arc block is. No clue. But yeah, safe, soft. I don't know how to say your name. I'm sorry. Um, Mo, Ma. God, I can't even say the last name. This is terrible. SM, SM. This is what I see out of this particular asset. On your fib levels, you're finding resistance at your lowest fib retracement level, which is kind of weird to me. But if you can break above this, I mean, next target, you could see yourself back up here to 23593. But I'm doing the best I can with the information I have. Just gonna take a little time here. But I take it you're not leverage trading this, so yeah. Crypto Cruise, happy Turkey Day. Happy Turkey Day to you as well. ABT, check it out. Yeah, we'll check it out. Alright, let's move along. So, Chainlink. Checking out the link. Are you guys a hot dog or links type people? Hot dogs or links? You got me on a day where I got food on the mind. So, hot dogs or links? This is a strong debate in my family on which is better. They're like the all beef frank. I was like, y'all are dumb. Give me the links. Links are way better, in my justified opinion. Link looks like it's about to have a breakout, and that's not a joke. $27.66 is the target. Hot dog is terrible for you, but my personal preference. Okay, Costco hot dogs. Okay, so you're hot dogs people. Okay, all right. Ibuprofen. You're not wrong. They're bad for you, but there's certain things you just do that are bad for you. But it's good for the soul. Okay. I don't need to feel your judgment through the screen. All right. With the name ibuprofen, you should be telling people to have hot dogs. It increases the sales of ibuprofen. Jeez. What are we doing out here? All right, you might be overcooked on the daily, but I think Link is about to give us a look. I mean, we got a golden cross here as well. Yes, we're hitting overhead resistance, but as soon as we break 1889, 2766, very likely target. Wait, is that all-time highs? No, it's not. Okay. And if you happen to break that, maybe you go up to 3706? Maybe. Just maybe. Eat your hot dogs, people. Eat them. Wow. I love how only Crypto Cruise and Ibuprofen jumped in on the Link vs. Hot Dog debate. Thanks, everyone. God, next time I'll just make a poll, I guess, for no one to participate. Y'all suck. Alright, let's move on. You're not buying a vehicle if I do well. I'm buying my dad's house. Blue Lantern. Smart move. Tax write-off. Smart move. Hot links, let's go! I'm with you. Check out Costco Hot Dog Crypto. There's no shot. There's a crypto. There's no way. Wow, that's unreal. Gotta check out Fetch AI. There's no way. I'm curious what GRT's doing. Ooh, and Goat. I saw grass was moving a lot the other day. FTM starting to go up a little bit. FET. I don't put long or short or medium curvature things in my mouth. Dream tanks, you're missing out. You're missing out, that's all I'm saying. Oh wait, resistance is holding. Hey! Yeah, we can get rid of this downtrend. We can get rid of this downtrend. They don't matter anymore. This is what matters. Hey, the downtrend is intact. Look at that. Moonwell, please, and happy Turkey Day. Happy Turkey Day to you too. Elixio. I hope I said that one right. I really hope I said that one right. Elixio. I feel good about it. Guys, if you could do me a huge favor, please hit the likes. Please do that. Please. Also, I made a vow today. I will not get mad at anyone for requesting any moonshot cryptos. Okay? I won't get mad at anyone. But I need you to do me a favor. Don't you press me on buying it right now. Because that's a tough one. That's tough. Alright, we've been live for 35 minutes. Just so... What about SafeMoon? Golly. I made so much money off SafeMoon. I'm like, no joke. I will look at that chart. I'll look at that chart. I made so much... That was my first ever 100x. That was my first ever. God, what a good scam. What a good scam. Damn, good shit. Oh, ABT. Shit, I really do need to look at ABT. Thank you, Ibuprofen. I forgot. I totally forgot. What does your 2-hour chart say on Dogecoin? I don't know. I don't look at the 2-hour. I have no idea. If I'm being completely honest with you. No freaking clue. Interesting look. Alright, so here's a back test on the new idea. That was your first mistake in crypto? What, not taking profits? Or buying into SafeMoon too late? So here's the new idea. You can see how you went from high to low. You consolidated, then you popped up. You got that 50% retrace. Great thing here to jump into a short. However, you didn't get more of a move, which, okay, that's fine. But at least you would have gotten this. So now as I'm looking at more charts, I'm starting to think maybe not the best plan here. But if we backtest it to the high, now it looks like FET is going to go up to 216. Oh, see how you guys hate it, but now all of a sudden you love it? Yeah. Yeah. 216 for FET. That's my target. 216. But yeah, you see this beautiful downtrend here. Oh, this makes so much more sense now. It's weird you never got your back test. That's strange. All you did was test this level here. That's really strange. So FET, all it had to do was maintain this level. That makes zero sense in my opinion. But hey, you're above all of your moving averages. Great. You're going to get a golden cross in coming days for FET. Yeah, first target, $2.16. Second target, $3. FET looking pretty darn good, especially on the daily. Coming out of the bearish control zone. Looking at your 4 hour. 4 hours a little hot. Might consolidate a little bit in between this little range. If you can stay above $1.50, you're golden. So you're going in on FET. Press. No, I'm not going in on it. I'm just staring at the chart. I hold FET. But I'm not going to trade this. Not until it shows me that it's reset and ready to take off. I would love to see a backtest of support. That's what I would love to see. Until I see that, no trade. No trade for me. But if we get that backtest, maybe trade. Maybe trade. Yeah, we'll check out some ADA for you. We're building up a list now. We got to check out ABT next. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. Oh shit! All right, your 15-minute on FET is basically saying, "Hey, bro, we're gonna break out sooner than later." That is crazy, huh? Who would have thought? Like, it's one thing for FET to like reset its stochastic. It's another to almost be oversold with this move. That's crazy. And you're at your 50% retrace. I mean, I guess if you guys are into scalping, yeah, you technically could go for a 14% rise on FET right now. No backtest required? That's surprising. That's really surprising. Your 15-minute is basically saying we are about to do this. That's absolutely wild. Your 1 hour is basically saying, hey, we're not overbought anymore. Maybe. Just maybe. In 5 minutes, we're going to get a lot more clarity on this bad boy. But don't be surprised if it does pump. Black Friday pumps are a thing. So, don't be surprised. Alright, ABT. %, closed, and I'm back up to another for another 30. Nice. Alexander, gonna be paying for all the drinks. Drinks are on Alex. Drinks are on Alex. I'm sorry if you don't like to be called Alex. Blame your parents. Well, this is an interesting chart. This is showing the strength of pullbacks right here. This is absolutely cute. Absolutely cute. Because you are at major support. If you lose a support, God, you are losing your ass. That's crazy. Needless to say, yeah, I think you're about to go up a lot. You're hitting resistance right now, but you hit a low, you hit it twice. You are likely creating a bottom here. That's insane. That's actually crazy. Nice looking chart. Nice looking chart. I like this chart. Just take the trade and we go half. No, I'm not jumping into any trades until tomorrow. That's what I'm saying, bro. No, yeah, this thing looks really good. I'm thoroughly surprised, ibuprofen. Thoroughly surprised. This looks pretty goddamn solid. I mean, you could see this thing rally straight up 71% just for a common retrace. Oh my god. No drinks for you. Yeah, I don't know what this thing is. I don't even know where it trades, but damn. Looking great on the weekly. Absolutely great on the weekly. Checking out the daily. A little hot, but you're testing your 200 daily moving average. So you can't really jump into the trade just yet. But I do like this double bottom. I really like that. I mean, noted, you would be buying now. Like spot traders, swing traders, this is a type of bottoming pattern that you're looking for before the next bull run. Right here. Because in reality, I'm just focused on the 50%, but a way more likely target is your 618, which is a 100% rise. If you're thinking like bull run moon math, you're I mean, your first target is like all the way up here, a 5x at $12.76. So whatever this arc block is, it's looking pretty goddamn good. Looking pretty gosh darn good. 4 hours trying to reset right now. I gotta change the colors on this thing. I don't like this. How it looks just like. Hold on. Let's change some shit. The fuck are these colors? Oh, let's go with that. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh, wait a second. There. Change it to yellow. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. So. It's not working out. It's not working out. I don't know. I'll play with that later. It's an AI coin, basically Web3, AI revolution hype. Oh, I gotcha. On a stop. Wait, what? You just closed the 30% on a stop? Dang, that thing's fluctuating a lot, isn't it? Alright, after FET, where was I supposed to go? Shit. ADA? ADA. Yeah, lots of fluctuations on that thing, huh? Kind of crazy. Ali at 313. Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Wait, is it Ali or Ollie? ALI always confuses me. I'm not going to lie. Type 1 if it's Ali. Type 2 if it's Ollie. I've met an alley where they spelled it like that, and I was a little mad at them. We need more love on Twitch. Hey, ibuprofen, you just got to start gifting a bunch of subs. That's actually how Twitch works, which is kind of weird. Alright, so, ADA. You are still at your 50% retrace golden area, but you did break out of your downtrend, and you got legs to run on the 4 hour. We could see ADA push straight up to 132.21. That's surprising to say. 132.21. It's true. Yeah, Twitch is weird. Twitch is like, oh, we're making money here. Let's send as many people to him as possible. It's a very interesting way of marketing. It makes it to where growth on Twitch is almost non-existent. It's really terrible. Unless you're in a niche. So once the meme coins start popping off for real and we get retail investors in here, there's going to be tons of love on Twitch. It's going to be absolutely insane. Thoughts on XRP lately? It's right now hitting overhead resistance at 155. If it breaks it, you're going straight to $3. There's really nothing in between. It's kind of insane to say that, but hey, who knows? Maybe it's just a bunch of pent up energy trying to get back at the entire world for last bull run. Just maybe. All right, ADA is kind of a weird one for me. You're showing signs of a rally. Your daily fully reset. You're still overbought, but I just don't like how overextended it is without backtesting literally anything. No, that is something I would not take a trade on. Can't do it. Yeah, I can't trade XRP either. I just can't. I held it once for like 2 years. It was at 23 cents. And the worst part is when I say that to anybody who's been around for a while on XRP, they'll be like, "Oh, I know exactly what you're talking about." Because there was a time it went up to 30 cents before it went back to 23 cents for like 2 years straight. It's like, yeah, just terrible. We have a high stochastic on the 1 hour, but you're not overbought for Cardano. Had it from last cycle and this year, moved it all to Sol. That was probably your best investment ever, switching it to Sol. Everybody's going to be like, "Oh, you missed out." And it's like, hold on. I made money all year off this other token. What are you talking about? Algorand is the one I'm surprised you guys are not asking about. Because Algorand, I was literally talking about it all last night. Downward channel and everything. Yeah, the Algorand traders out there were just like, "Hold my beer. What is this channel you speak of?" So yeah, ADA right now, no joke, 114 is the target. 114. 15-minute wants to push you straight up there. That's insane. That's actually insane. You did 20x on Sol? Not bad, not bad. My average price for Sol right now is $12, so I think I'm doing alright too. Good morning, Fabby. How you doing? We're in the evening over here, but good morning. Alright, we're at 48 minutes. Oh man, this stream's going to be coming to an end pretty soon, guys. So please hit the likes. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And, yeah. Put 1K on cost, the Costco hot dog, and sit back and get some hopium. That's pretty funny. You're going to check back. And on FET, I already looked at FET. I was literally staring at their chart. We could see a 10% rise out of ADA. How insane is that? But yeah, we can look at FET again. Sure, I don't mind. But yeah, currently you have a break of support, a technical back test, and you're continuing your run. So, the idea of going up 10% to possibly a 26% rise are in the cards for ADA. Turbo TA, think it moves soon. It's already been moving. Yeah, we can check out Turbo real quick. What are we longing right now here, right here? This is ADA. ADA. I'm not going long on anything. I'm not trading a damn thing today. Nothing at all. We are not jumping into any trades. Oh, hey, I haven't seen those emotes in forever. Holy crap, ibuprofen. That's crazy. So, yeah. The ADA looks like it's ready to run. But, yeah, look at what Algo did. Look at this crap. You broke out, you backtested, and you're running. How crazy is that? Algorand could see 46 cents. Like, how crazy is that? Absolutely insane. Alright, did FET keep falling or something? Because, yeah, FET, it was giving me all the signs like it was ready to run, so we'll see. I just passed all the Fs. Passed right past it. E-T. Oh my god. Look at the bounce we're catching. Look at the bounce. Look at that bounce. How pretty is that? It's as if, like, bots are trading it. How crazy is that? You could see 14%. Oh my god! Yeah, that's TA for you. I did say we would find out very soon what would happen, and yeah, it's catching the bounce. Go FET. Go FET. It's no boba, but it is a FET. Alright, let's go to Turbo. Can you guys believe it? We've almost been live for an hour already. Jeez. Alright, so Turbo. I was looking at this the other day. We caught our bounce here. Absolutely insane. What I see in play right now is the possibility of this 24% upside playing out, But from here, you could continue all the way back up to the 1 cent level. So, Turbo, it's just putting in the hard yards right now. If you can manage to stay above 6973 and get back above 7591, you don't have to worry about the back test in this absolute gorgeous area that it should have gone to. I'm not biased. I'm not biased. But yeah, definitely should have gone down there because of your weekly. You can see trading range here, not tested. If we test it, it's going to be beautiful. But as of this moment in time, looks like we're not going to test it. On your daily time frame, we had these candle highs here, and it looks like we are wait, no, hold on. We tested the what is this? Hold on, get out of here. So we had these candle highs back here, which we did test over here. Get this out of here. So you can see what I'm seeing here. Candle high closes right here. And we came down, we kissed it. And we reset the stochastic. We're in the bearish control zone. MACD is showing an exhaustion of the sellers. So right now we could see the continuation to the upside. Is that a 200 moving average? No, it's not. Okay. But this 24% rise almost goes perfectly to this 50 simple moving average on the daily. If we backtest that, it could be a 20. Oh, well, where it was, but it could be a 22% rise from where you're at. So yeah, Turbo's looking pretty solid. Algo's going crazy. Bean, you're right. That's what I was talking about earlier. I was like, holy crap. It's going absolutely insane. What's up, Porky? An hour left, then I'm off work. Oh, nice, Gertha, nice. Kind of sucks. I will be ending stream soon. It is Thanksgiving. I managed to get away from the family for a short period of time, and I came live for you guys. So please hit the likes, everyone. Please hit those likes. Oh boy. Oh, we can adjust this out here. Oh my goodness gracious. As we adjust the downtrend, this would just be a test of the downtrend. That's great. Mr. Space Ripper, happy Thanksgiving. Thank you so much. You're driving now. How's Gala doing? I can't see. Let's check out Gala. But hopefully this helps you out with your turbo idea. As long as you stay above 6690, you are sitting pretty. What I would love to see is hitting resistance at 7591. Touch this 669 one more time. Give us a little Britney Spears action here. That would be pleasant. And then I could argue for the absolute glory of 32% upside. Maybe you stop a little short. Maybe it's 29%. We'll see. But I would like a second test. That's what I would really like to see. If we get that second test and we hold, perfect. Upside, baby. Well, we'll see. We shall see. Anyways, let's go over to Gala next. Let's take a peek in real fast on Algo, because Algo is going insane. So let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, well, Algo's pulling back now. Either way, Algorand, for those who didn't hear, 46 cents. That is your target right now. 46 cents. Currently finding a bit of resistance, but is what it is. All right, going to Gala. So Gala is broken out, and we could see it get to the 5-cent level. It's not too shabby. Not too shabby. You're not technically overbought on the daily. Your 4 hour, it has a little left to be desired. I'm not gonna lie, bit to be desired, but it does look like you're on your way to the upside. So there's that. You're well on your way. You're going. You're doing it. Your 1 hour time frame needs to reset that stochastic, but you are not overbought. Your 15 minutes probably going to carry you. Yep, 15 minute wants to carry you. It wants to carry you bad. It really does. You do have some bearish divergence on the 15 minute, so cautious on that. But I don't think it's anything to worry about. It seems like we're going to have a Black Friday push to the upside. That's what it seems like right now. I could be wrong. Maybe we're going to get some Black Friday deals. But the market seems rather bullish right now, and that's surprising. That is very surprising. All right. Now I'm overly invested into seeing what Fett is doing. So let's go look at it. Let's go look at it. Fett pulling back again. Oh no. Oh no, it's not. It's holding. It's holding. For any of you absolute degens out there, what you're really going to want to hope for is that you hold the 156.8 level. If you can hold that, you're going up, baby. Going up, baby. We'll see if it holds. We'll see. By the way, everybody, we have a Discord. For those of you who are new in the stream, just check the description down below. Join the Discord. It's a great place to be. Usually when I find great trade setups, I do post them in there, but it's also a place where you can request different tokens or just chat with the community. So definitely consider doing that. And if you're looking for a new exchange to do some trading on, which I highly recommend, everybody has at least 5 exchanges for bull runs, just because you will start making a lot of money. And let's just say you find a trade you love, it's probably good to spread that trade out amongst other exchanges just to make sure you don't get hunted out on one exchange. So there are some links that pop up inside of the chat with a couple different exchanges. If you guys could just join those using the link, that would be great. Helps out the channel greatly. I cannot use MEXC because MEXC kicked me off. Those bastards. Yeah, so, weeks, buy DeFi, great opportunities. Also, fan-freaking-tastic. You had like 50 plus. We did. We had a lot of people in here. But, BTC pullback soon? I don't know. Viewers last night. How many viewers is your highest? I don't know. I don't actually pay attention. So I don't know. One thing I learned a long time ago, if you pay attention to the viewer count, it'll throw you off in all of your streaming. So I don't pay attention to the viewer count too often. Waiting on longs? Yeah, Curtis, we're looking to go long. What did you kicked off MEXC for, if you don't mind me asking? Oh, I did this really terrible thing. I lived in the United States. Just... it's really bad. It's really bad. It's really all it takes. I lived in the US, so KuCoin, Binance, the good Binance, MEXC, BitGet. What were the other? Bybit. No, not Bybit. Bitmart. Those are the main ones that kicked me off. Kind of sucks. VPN? No, actually, with MEXC, I tried using a VPN. It didn't work. It geofenced me. It geofenced based off your IP, which I was like, this is some bullshit. So yeah, I need a different VPN that'll change my IP address. Mount Gox? No, never had Mount Gox. I wasn't around during the Mount Gox days. Wasn't around for those. Was not around. I have to move it to Mexico? Do you know how to? I don't think I do. Can I look at Gobi? Super simple. So normally, because I use Pure VPN, I can pick my location, but it doesn't give me a new IP address. What the fuck? What's Gobi? Ray, I can't find Gobi. It's not even a oh. Oh, you're having me look at this weird little... God damn it. We have rules for Deck Screener. We have rules. That's a $5 dono if you're trying to get me to go over there. There's no way. Yeah, that's the one. Great, we found it. We got lucky. Wanted all your ID confirmation, and I'm in the States? Yeah, that's crazy. You got stuck last cycle with VeChain and Binance. You got in with a VPN, but times changed so fast, couldn't get it out. That sucks. That's the great thing about having it on Binance, though. You automatically got all your VThor, so you literally were getting free money every single time you just held it, which was fantastic. Yeah, I bought VeChain on Binance also. It was so good. It was so good. So Gobi, it's too new for me to really do TA. Your only support level right now is this 495 level. I have no idea what this is. I don't know what the team is doing. This is something you would have to like go into their Telegram or Discord and just start talking to them. But to do TA on this is actually kind of pointless. I'm sorry to tell you. It's kind of pointless. This is all hype, all speculation. Andre, yeah, we looked at Algo like 4 times today. We'll check it out again. Yeah, exactly. The community's active. I agree with you. All of it hype and speculation. Absolutely. Yeah, it's just all I can really say is, hey, you got some resistance that you've used for 2 days, so a pullback is very possible. Someone is offloading at this level. Someone is. 4-hour time frame says the level is slightly higher. So there's your level. And you're now officially in a downtrend. Officially in a downtrend. There were not as many buyers as before. So watch the downtrend, watch for the break. Outside of that, I got nothing else for you on this. I'm sorry, Ray. I can only do with the information that's given. Algorand, we're aiming for 46 cents. That's the aim. All you got to do is stay above 28 cents. No worries, I appreciate you. No, Ray, I appreciate you. I'm thankful for all of you who came into this live stream, because I know all y'all should be with your family. So I appreciate you. You won't believe it. You got a quick 8% juicer out of Fartcoin? That's insane. That's actually insane. Fartcoin. I just can't even believe this. Can't even believe this crap. You're still at resistance though, but it's so dumb. It could rally. That's so stupid. You reset your stochastic on the 4-hour already. This thing could rally hard. Sounds crazy, but I'm gonna put a long on Poly after a small dip. It's not crazy. It's the market's hyper bullish right now. So where you would normally go short, I'm noticing bad idea to go short. It's a really bad idea. I can't believe Fartcoin. You are upsloping consolidating, and it looks like it's ready to rally. That's insane. Actually insane. I don't know who's pushing this thing up, but hey, people like the farts. Thanks for revisiting Algo. No problem, Andre. No problem. No problem at all. ZKML. ZKML. What? Hold on. What the hell is this? Is this what you're talking about? I'll tell you what. Sick ad project. I'll tell you what. Wait for this thing to get to an exchange before you even touch it. Ethereum gas fees are ridiculous. They are absolutely ridiculous. So, I mean, I get you're missing out on some juicy gains here and all, but Ethereum gas fees, it's just never worth it. In my opinion. Yeah, it looks like you're just at a level right now. Hopefully you break out from. You do Sol mostly? Yeah. It's the Ethereum gas fees. It's the entire reason Ethereum's not doing better. It's the entire reason. If they could figure out those gas fees, oh my god, that would be so much better. So, would not be a surprise in the least if you come back down to 30, 1, 1, all those ones and 9. Wouldn't be a surprise in the least. However, it also wouldn't be surprising if you got back up to this 6, 4, 4, 1, 1, 3. You're in no man's land. No man's land. If we go into the daily here, your daily is overbought. But once again, you're not on exchanges, so you more than likely don't have anybody leverage trading this. I'm sure you can possibly find leverage trading on this somewhere. But yeah, since there's no leverage trading, momentum's going up. Ride the wave. Ride the wave. You're up 3x currently. Nice. But yeah, just ride the wave. You set a low once, you set a low twice, 3 times, and took off. So looks like you're going up. Ride the wave, baby. The nice thing about no leverage is the rally can continue very easily. Giddy up, sand. Beauty. Sorry, as bearish as I was last night, thanks to today, nowhere near as bearish. ADA is breaking out. There was a resistance on ADA? I thought it already broke out. What do you mean? Yeah, it already broke out. Huh? What are you talking about? Breaking out. Yeah, we looked at this like 5 minutes ago. I told you the 15-minute wants to rally. You're likely to go up and test 132. I don't know what you mean by breaking out. It already broke out. Broke out like back here. Broke out yesterday. Mike Vega, what is up? How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. Anybody who's new here, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Bitcoin halving. His mind is breaking out. That's true. Booyah! Yo, what's up, Gap Filler? How you doing? How's everybody doing? Alright, we're in overtime right now, just so you guys know. I will have to be ending stream soon. I did come on here literally just for you guys. Alright? My daughter in there is running amok all freaking day. She has just been trying to find as many opportunities to create messes as possible while we've all been busy with the cooking stuff. It's been absolutely just hectic. If I could spell, that would be great. What are my thoughts on LCX? I don't have a clue. We'll have to see. Sure. How did that not trade go from last night? It didn't stop me out, but it looks like it's breaking out. So, all right. Yeah. Well, all right. Yo, what's up, Max? How you doing? Happy Thanksgiving, Max. Happy Thanksgiving. All right, I said I wouldn't get mad over this. So, checking this out. You're coming out of literal lows. What you'd like to see is another test. You'd really like to see that. I don't know if you have any bullish divergence. But if you do, just as a normal test, you would go up to 5 cents. As a normal test, you would get up there and go touch it. Go touch the butt. You have literally nothing stopping you from doing it. Literally nothing. Coming down to our daily, you're a bit on the overbought side. Just a little bit. And you have support sitting right there at 248 that you haven't touched. Would be nice if you actually touched it. If you can touch it, get that support, then I mean it's smooth sailing straight up to 5 cents. So I guess you're on a wait and see type thing if you're going to get up to that 5 cents. 4 hour, it's a bit overbought. Technically no bearish divergence, just consolidation, but your 4 hour wants to rally. So expect this thing to go up. You invested 500 and now you made over 1,000 in profit. I think big things will happen, but what are my opinions? Oh boy. We will see. LCX, that's what you're talking about? Gotcha. You have an XRP long that liquidates at 106. How long do you think I can hang on to this gem? I wouldn't call XRP a gem. But if it breaks 155, you're pretty much going to $3. Peanut sitting at 618. And the edge of bullish engulfing candle. Beautiful TA. Check it out. TPG. We will try to get to it. We'll try. We're in overtime right here, guys. Maybe I'm late. BTC doing. When you get a chance, can you take a look at Aptos? Sure. BTC's doing really good. There's a strong possibility it jumps up to 99,000. Strong possibility. Very strong. Black Friday pump. That's really what we're looking at right now. So, there's that. Anyways. So yeah, this Elix thing could be seeing a lot of upside. Blessy, thank you so much for the sub. Absolutely amazing. Grass also going on a rampage. That's true. Surprisingly, I hold some grass thanks to my daily wheel spins over on Weeks. I surprisingly hold some grass. And I was like, oh, great, awesome, love it. Alright, I gotta start going in speedrun mode. I'm sorry, I'm gonna skip over the desync ray. I'm gonna skip that one. But this one looks like you're going up, so that's positive. Daily spin, Mr. Speed Race. Now I know you're not a part of the Weeks family. That link that's popping up inside of the chat, you should join Weeks. Based off your daily trading, you will get daily wheel spins where you either get more crypto for trading leverage into your futures account, or you get free crypto. What I've gotten so far from there was some free ADA, as well as free grass token and free goat token. So definitely worth jumping in there. Plus your deposit bonuses are amazing, and it's kind of worth getting in there. But I think the biggest deposit bonuses you get right now is on Buy DeFi. It's 10% deposit bonus. So up to $10,000. Definitely worth getting into both of those. You got Weeks token? Yeah, I got Weeks tokens too. I got a bunch of those. Let's go ahead and check out LCX. LCX. That's not it. LCX. Oh, we've looked at this a few times. LCX looks like it's trying to find support at 2770. 4 hour, it's reset, so likely to get up to 4176. Looking pretty darn solid on LCX. Pretty gosh darn solid. Your daily is going to be cooked. Yep, your daily's cooked. You're completely overbought, but you already broke a resistance. You're likely to go test the next resistance. If you manage to break that, honestly, sky's kind of the limit. These are your all-time weekly highs that you're contesting with. All-time weekly highs. So, LCX looking pretty gosh darn solid. For you D-gens out there, like, how can I trade this now? You just need to have a stop loss above 2770, and you should be doing fine. The possibility of going up 37% is on your side. JS Jr., no idea what you said. God damn it. Happy Turduncan Day, my brother. Big win for those Cowboys. Yo, the Cowboys won? Surprising. I used to be a Cowboys fan. Now I can't stand watching football. Bitcoin halving, what's poppin'? What's up? How you doing? How about free what? Fromunda coin? I don't even know what that is. Sand's ripping it up tonight. Sand going up again. I told you guys we're bullish today. If XRP is not a gem, what will outperform it? Solana already did. What do you mean, Curtis? What are you trying to say, Curtis? Solana went from $9 all the way up to where it's at. What are you talking about? What's going on, Curtis? You trying to fight me, bro? Throughout the cycle, Curtis, Solana already has a leg up. Already does. Can I tell you where to take profit on sand? I can't tell you what to do. What platform are you on right now to see these charts? TradingView. Actually, TradingView has their Black Friday sale. Best possible time ever to get into TradingView. I should have a link, but I don't think I do. I should find out if I have a link. ADA and XRP will make you millionaire. XRP 7 years sideways, good gem. Okay, a lot of people have been in this space for plenty of time. Yeah. The sentiment is there. What the fuck? My wife tried calling me? Oh shit. Do you trade on there or you just use it to look at graphs? I just use it to look at graphs. I make my trades on the exchange. I was supposed to be in a trading competition for TradingView this entire month, and I made 0 trades on here. I don't think I did very well. ADA might be dead. What? Dead? You're on a fresh breakout. What? What do you mean? XLM. Is XLM busting up right now? I know I'm skipping a lot of things, guys, but I'm honestly about to get off stream, so sorry. Yeah, XLM's on a breakout. Right this moment, it's on a breakout. And your 15-minute is probably saying you're about to go up to 71 cents. Probably. What do I trade on? Like Coinbase app, or is there better things to trade on? I trade on Weeks. I also trade on BuyDefi. These are my 2 main exchanges right now. But I also have MargeX and BitUnex. I've been really lazy with finding the 5th exchange I should be trading on, but yeah. I'll actively, normally in a bull run, use 5 separate exchanges to facilitate all my trading. And normally I have watch lists on all of them. I still haven't made my watch list for BuyDefi because the Weeks watch list took me so damn long. It took me so long. It was terrible. Will come watch me make money on sand. You can check out sand. Are there better than Coinbase? Coinbase is really good for like offloading. It's really good for getting back into cash. Outside of that, everything is better than Coinbase. I'd even argue Kraken's better than Coinbase. It's about the same. Anything that doesn't require KYC, way better. You don't want Uncle Sam knowing everything you do with your crypto. You just don't want that. Oh, we do have to check out Sand for Decloser. Since we're close to it, let's check out Sand. Sand is up 10%, going straight for that 50%, but your next resistance, 76.93. After that, 81.23. If XLM breaks that 71 resistance, is it new territory? No. You have, like, I think 2 targets right above it from previous all-time highs. Next target, wait, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, no, it would be going for all-time high at 79, almost 80 cents. So just think 80 cents, and then you're into price discovery. But still, keep in mind, guys, this is a literal straight line up. Just keep in mind, there's a strong reason why I think a pullback will come. Markets don't usually do this. This is abnormal. So, just keep that in mind. It's very abnormal to see an absolute straight line on a chart. Very abnormal. Because when you see straight lines like this, automatically you're like, what's the first resistance it broke out of? We could go down there. I can't find Weeks trading platform on your phone. Is it? It's WEEX. WEEX. Also, there's a link popping up in chat. You could use the link. It would be great. Quickly looked at Peanut. Oh, I haven't seen Peanut yet. Let's go look at Peanut. Peanut to the US dollar tether. Oh, looks like you're pulling back. Great. You're out of support. You're sitting on that support, buddy. You're there. Checking out your daily. Looks like you're about to get a bit of a move to the upside. Sweet. Held support very well. Very well. So, since I like to look at the bearish case, I would first be wanting to see what happens when you get up to 176.11. What happens? Do you pull back or do you keep going? I would strongly think a pullback would happen. Strongly would think that. But you could see Peanut rise up 51%. 51%. And based off candle high closes from these 2 days where the downtrend started, you would be doing a formal bearish backtest, in which then we could adjust the line up to wherever it is. But yeah, a 50% retrace from the low to high makes a lot of sense on a typical bounce. Could you go a little bit higher? Sure, definitely could. But even if you use your trend tool to see where this thing could go, keep in mind a 618 is a very good area in which price would turn around. Anywhere between the 618 and the 786. I'm saying this before I bring up the fib tool so we can see where this lines up. So looking at this, 618, maybe you end up coming up to 248.81. Maybe. And that's if the trend is continuing up. And from there, you would look to get a back test at support and then continue your upside. So, that is what I'm seeing out of Peanut on the daily. That's pretty solid. Pretty solid. Looks like you're holding support very well. Alright. Hopefully that helped out. Hopefully. Like it, no problem. No problem. It's just a really new token, so the hype is still around. Getting a Black Friday hype right after breaking out of this downtrend, pretty solid. Pretty solid. Getting that fresh breakout, that's pretty solid. Then maintaining support, looking good. 4 hour coming out of the neutral territory. You got some upside. You got some upside. It's very possible. And then you just have to think about the sentiment, you know? It's like, oh, Peanut would have been around for the holidays, you know? Feel so sorry for the family. Let's buy some of their tokens. Even though the family does not make any money off this token. The sentiment. It's the sentiment. Yep, you're starting to get that trend. Starting to get that trend moving up on the 15-minute. These 15-minute time frames, they have been putting in work. Holy crap. It's the problem with like really bullish times in the market. The 15-minute is where it's at, honestly. That 15-minute, it takes you to the promised land. It's absolutely insane. And if you want to see where the trend's starting to reverse, you look at the weirdly 7-minute. It's strange. Shout out to Crypto Lifer for talking about the 7-minute time frame. Shout out to Crypto Lifer. Alright, guys. I appreciate everybody who came into stream. I love you all. We've been live for an hour and 26 minutes. I went well over time. I have to get back to the family. I do appreciate you all. If you could do me a huge favor. Lifer here. Let's go, Diego. Let's frickin' go. But I'm a lifer too. I'm there too. Thank you. What up, G? Where are you going? I'm going back to the family, Allison. Going back. Oh, wait. Mag Max? Damn, that's crazy. It's crazy. You're golden. Thanks. No, I appreciate each and every one of you. I will be back tomorrow. Party just starting? Nah. Are you in the 99? I am not. I am not. I just like watching him because I love watching family people talk about their charts because automatically I think it's genuine. They are trying to make more money for their family. Being a family man myself, I can level with that. You are trying to pay the bills and one day get raped by college tuition. Just, oof. Gotta make that money. Alright, guys. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you. Lifer doesn't know how to trade. Whoa, trade intuition. Chill out, bro. Yes, he does. You kidding me? Mashallah? Mashallah, what's that? I trade a lot better. Well, I appreciate the sentiment. Thank you. Thank you. Allison, I'm not really sure what that means. Mashallah? I'm gonna have to look that up. Wow, lost so much respect. Now you stop it. I'm out of here, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. Take it easy. I will see you tomorrow. Anyone that thinks he knows how to trade. Wow. Oh god. Trade intuition. Chill out, brother. Chill out. I'm out of here, guys. Deuces, much love. Keep those stop losses tight. Enjoy the family. Get your mind out of the charts. Get your mind out of the charts just for an evening. You'll be alright.